Hello everybody. Today I wanted to talk to you about the seasonal surprise box. If you're new to Erin Condren or you've never heard of Erin Condren is a company that sells planners, planner stuff, desk accessories, stationery, pens, writing tools, all that stuff. Every season they do a box. And it's called a seasonal surprise box. You don't know what's in it, but they give you hints, little sneak peeks. I will show the sneak peeks that Erin Condren has shown for this box, but I'll show it at the end of the video. That way, if you don't want to see the sneak peeks, you don't have to watch the end of the video. I'll let you know when I will do it. This box is available February 21st. This video is going up on the 20th. So that way you can watch this video and I can tell you my thoughts about the box and you can decide if you want to do it. If you want to purchase this box, I will have a link in the description box and I would totally appreciate you using that link. And if you purchase the box, I will get a small commission, but it's no cost to you. Subscribe because I will do an unboxing of this as soon as the boxes are shipped out and somebody receives them, then I can show the unboxing. So if you want to see the unboxing, make sure you subscribe and like this video, because the likes will help Erin Condren send me more boxes so I can show you guys more stuff coming out, especially with the launch coming out pretty soon. You don't know what you're going to get in these, but the last 3 boxes have been a little different than the other boxes. I've been getting these boxes for years and years. I've only been sent, this is my second box that they actually sent me. So I didn't know what was in the boxes either, and I missed a couple of them, I think 3. And the 3 that I actually did miss, I actually liked the items in the boxes. Some of the items I was able to get because somebody was selling the items, but there are a couple of items that I was not able to get or purchase from somebody else. So these boxes are rare, so if you can't get the box, you might be lucky enough to get somebody that's going to sell some of the items that you want, but you might not be lucky. What I was trying to say was, before there would be stuff where like would be exclusive to the boxes, and then sometimes it would be a sneak peek that would get on the website later on. The last 3 boxes, everything has been exclusive, so you're not going to see it. But mind you, there might be items that are in the box that you're not going to see on the website, but there might be something like it. Like, for example, if it's a pin, like say it's a felt tip pin that you really liked, and it's in the color purple in the box. Later on, you might see a felt tip pin that looks like the one in the box, but it won't be purple. It'll be like red or something on the website. So that's what I mean by, like, if you want something specifically like the color or the design or anything like that, you would want this box. Because it might have a different design and you might not like the design, you know, that they actually put on the website. So, you know, it's all up to you. I'm just giving you, you know, a heads up. And another thing with the last 3 boxes is there would be a cover that you could choose the size and the print. So there'd be 2 prints. Now, I can't say if it's in this box or not, but I'm just giving you a heads up of the last 3 boxes. So what they did was they would have 2 designs. You could pick a 7x9 cover or an A5 cover. And you could pick whatever design it was. And then on top of that, the other 3 boxes, is it 3 or 2 boxes? It might be 2 boxes, not 3. Sorry. You can make this a deluxe box and purchase an extra item that you will see on the website for extra amount. I don't know how much it's going to be, because at one point there was an item that said it was 40 bucks. Then it changed to 16. So I don't know exactly how much the extra money is going to be for that extra item, but you will be able to see the item that you will be purchasing with the box, basically, to make it a bigger box. But if you don't purchase the extra item, there are 8 items in here, in this box, and that's usually around the number of items that you get in a box. 7, 8, you know, sometimes it's less if you get like a bigger item. It just depends on the specific box. I don't like the box. There's some boxes that I do like. I usually keep the boxes, these special ones, because you're never going to see this box again. But this one I don't really care for, so it's not a big deal that it got crushed. So I'm a planner person. I'm a straight planner person. I plan daily, I do to-do lists, I plan weekly, I plan monthly. So that's what I do. And that's all I do. I know some people budget. I know some people do goal setting. And if you're not just a planner like me, then you'll like this box. But if you're just a planner like me, if you don't do any of that extra stuff, this box might not be for you. With my ways and the way I plan, this is not my favorite box. There's a couple of items in there that I like, that I'm glad that I received the box. But there's some stuff that I'm not too sure I would use. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the sneak peeks. But I can't show the 2 sneak peeks that they have shown. One is on the website and one is on their Instagram. Or I think they showed both of them on their Instagram. The first sneak peek that I seen was this notepad. I might show a bigger picture so you can actually see what it looks like. But it's one of those long notepads. If you've seen Erin Condren's website, they always have these kind of notepads. It's just a notepad, and it has this week's priorities on it. And it says it has the week of, and then it has like a little to-do list right here. And it says high priority, medium priority, low priority. And then a little box for notes. And usually the notepads have like 25 to 30 in there. So it's a good chunk. This is one of the items that I'm not too sure I was going to use. But now that I think about it, I probably will use this because I went back to school starting this semester. So like I kind of have to do this for like every day. Like, okay, I need to read chapter 5. I need to do the quiz today, you know. So I kind of need this. So I probably will use this one. The second sneak peek is on the website. I'm not too sure about the Instagram, but is this. And it's small. It's about, oh okay, it's a little taller than the notepad. But you open it up, and I like how they open it up like this now. Like they did that with the monthly sticker book that they just came out with a couple months ago. I like that it goes like this and it's not like a book like that. These are sticky notes. Like a to-do list with 7 things you could put down, and then it has take a moment, which is kind of cool because like that way you can do self-care or whatever. So like, let's do the 7 things, and then I'll paint my nails tonight, or I'll take a bath. You know, which is really cool. And you could put in your planner, and that way it's a sticky note. So once you do it, or you want to save it for like the next week, just in case you do the same things like every Monday, then you could use it again. And I think sticky notes you get a lot more. I don't think it's 30. I think it's like 50. I could be wrong, so don't quote me on that one. That's everything I can show you, and hopefully this video helped you a little bit on whether to get it or not. Hopefully you'll get it, and hopefully you'll use my link. Hopefully you subscribed, and you will see my unboxing. And I will see you next time.